So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you how to deposit money into your account by e-transfer here on Robinhood. So once Robinhood is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom right and select on the profile icon. Once you're on the profile page right here where it says transfer money at the top, deposits, withdrawals, transfer limits, go ahead and select that. Once that is done, under transfers, there's deposits. Go ahead and select deposit. It'll then bring you to this page right here where you can select how much you want to deposit. So in this example, if I wanted to do $5, I would type in 5, and then once that is good to go, press continue. Once you have the amount selected, and I have to do $10 because that's the minimum transfer here, you can go ahead and select where it's from, where it's to, and then at the bottom it says $10 will be deposited to your Robinhood account once you Interact e-transfer is complete. So I'm here in Canada, which means I can do this through e-transfer. But once this is good and you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press deposit. It'll then redirect you to a new screen where you can connect your bank account and deposit it that way. So that is how you guys can deposit money into your account by e-transfer here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.